It's Friday, October 18th, 2019. Now we are talking about Tropical Storm Nestor in the Gulf of Mexico on a northeastward track. The maximum wind of the storm right now, 60 miles per hour. You see it on the enhanced satellite loop, but when you look at a regular satellite, you'll notice the brighter clouds are in the Gulf of Mexico. That's where the core of the storm is. You'll also notice it seems to be lopsided. There's a strong westerly wind in the middle and upper atmosphere, which is going to push it rapidly toward the east or more toward the northeast. And at the rate it's moving, it's not likely to strengthen a lot, but it will make landfall sometime Saturday morning in the Florida Panhandle as a tropical storm, a strong tropical storm with winds that will gust maybe to hurricane force. You're watching a computer projection moving forward. Where you see the brightest colors, that would be the heaviest rain close to the center of the storm, moving into the Panhandle, then into Georgia, and then heading into South Carolina. Look at this landfall scenario. It's not a perfect guarantee of where the center may be, but just take it for example. The main message here is at the rate the system is moving to the right of the path, basically in the Big Bend region of Florida, that's where you're going to get the largest effects. The onshore wind will produce storm surge that could be as much as 5 feet, heavy rain, and even the threat of isolated tornadoes. Surf will be rough across the Gulf with rip current risks. But on the west side of the storm, to the west, not quite as bad because the winds will be blowing from the land toward the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the outline of the tropical storm warning. Notice it goes back toward the Alabama coast and even parts of southeastern Louisiana. That is all a precaution that winds could still get over 40 miles an hour, although it's less likely there. The big threat, though, storm surge, mainly to the east of Apalachicola to just north of Tampa Bay. Rainfall with this system should be moderate, as in 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. But if it comes down too fast, even though the soil is dry, it could produce isolated flash flooding. Stay updated to your local forecast. One of the best sources of information is weather.gov, where you can click on the map to find out exactly what your threat may be. I'm meteorologist Alan Seals.